Jasprit Bumrah, who has been crowned Test Cricketer of the Year, ICC Test Cricketer of the Year. This is a big win for Jasprit Bumrah, who took 71 wickets in 2024, and he's the 6th Indian to bag this title. My colleague Rika joins us now. Rika, tell us, it has been a remarkable year for Jasprit Bumrah. You've been reporting on all those developments. Tell us how significant is this title that has been awarded to him?
I think you've used the right word, which is remarkable. Remarkable it has been because he came back at the back of an injury that had threatened to, derail his career, and that he came back firing on all cylinders, picking 71 wickets in the year, 32 of those 71 wickets coming in the tour down under in Australia, and he became the bowler to first Indian bowler to capture as many wickets in Australia, going past Bishan Singh Bedi. That is a pretty significant achievement. Apart from getting to 200 test wickets, it is not just the number of wickets that he has picked up, 71, but look at his average, which is a little over 14, and also a phenomenal strike rate that Jasprit Bumrah has been able to deliver. He's been a fast and fearsome fast bowler. The opposition not only was scared of facing Bumrah, but he's also earned huge respect as the kind of craftsman that he is, the kind of craft he delivers on the field, the kind of discipline that he brings about. One must mention the Perth Test, in which he not just picked up 5 wickets, but also batted sensibly as a captain to lead India to a win in that series. And that was the in that match, that was the only match in the series that Jasprit Bumrah captained India in, apart from the last match in which he got injured and he pulled out. He bowled a lot of overs during the Australia series, and once again it seems like he has picked up a stress fracture. Or so it seems. Right now he is on rest. He is going to be on rest for a while, but we will hopefully have Bumrah once again back firing on all cylinders for the Champions Trophy.